Right, today we're going to show you how to set out your sink and mark it all out ready for cutting and installation. Right, so what we do here, put the sink on where it's going to go. If the sink doesn't come supplied with a template, then draw around the sink. Then all you do is move in 10mm from the line that you've drawn round. If you've got a top that's black, use masking tape first of all, so you can draw on the masking tape. Move in 10mm, then cut it all out. So we've drawn around the sink.
Going back in the box with it.
Can't see it. Masking tape, please, George. Right, so what we're going to do, because we can't see some of the marks, we're going to put some masking tape approximately where the sink's going. $60mm from the front. Now we've got our outline of our sink. All we do is move in 10mm off of that line. So mark your 10mm. If you can, we prefer to cut the sink out outside. It keeps the dust out here rather than inside. So we've marked it all out. So what we now need to do is drill the 4 corners. What we're going to do, we're going to set the jigsaw for dust extraction. Right. All your modern jigsaws come with this. A lot of people fit them, a lot of people don't. Drill out the 4 corners. Don't drill through your bench. Right, there you have it, sink cut out. Hole. Let's try the sink in the hole.
Now that fits like a sock.